This drink is a flavorful party beverage that your guests will absolutely enjoy. Learn how to make a banana fruit punch with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. In a blender, add the bananas and blend until pureed. Then, transfer into a punch bowl and add the pineapple juice, orange juice, lemon juice, granulated sugar, water, ice cubes, and lemon lime soda. Mix to combine. Garnish with a slice of pineapple before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.